brows up with the lash brush, which you can get from By Kady. And then I'll take the angled brush that you get in the brow kit with the shadow, and then I'm going to outline the bottom of the brow shape. And then I'm going to outline the shape of the brow. So I've outlined the bottom of both brows. Now I'm just going to brush the hairs down. So I've got the shape of both the brows. So it's a nice shape. And then I'm going to do, I'm going to go over the top with the shadow. The shadow's really pigmented, so you don't need a lot of product, you just literally need to tap it in. So once both brows are done, I'm going to go in with the amazing brow fix, which is also in the brow kit. Like I said the other day, I love it because it's so tiny, so you can. And I'm going to do the other brow.